So I accidentally put two of basically the same problem on the review for these items. So I'm just going to go ahead and do these both at the same time. This is number 5 and number 8 on the items to review. Number 5, find the derivative of the function k of x equals negative 8 times 11x squared plus 4 to the negative 6. Find k prime of x. Well, this is a power rule and a chain rule. Why? Because the base has a derivative. The base has a derivative. So it's a power rule, but within that power rule, the base that we're talking about in the power rule has a derivative, so that has to be tacked on at the end. So k prime of x becomes, coefficient stays, times the power, times the base to the power minus 1. Now chain it on the derivative of that inside base, so 22x. So it's negative 8 times negative 6 times 11x squared plus 4 to the negative 6 minus 1 times 22x. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and multiply out all these monomials, negative 8, negative 6, and 22x. And that's going to come out to 1056x. And then when we simplify our exponent, 11x squared plus 4 to the negative 7. And just a little bit better answer would be to get rid of your negative exponent. And that means you take that base, 11x squared plus 4 to the 7th to the denominator. All right, let's repeat the process for this one. So we're going to go k prime of x is the negative 9 is a coefficient, it stays there, times the exponent, times the base, to negative 6 minus 1, negative 7, derivative of the base, 22x. So that's going to be 9 times 6 times 22. And just do that on your calculator. That's 1188. Don't forget the x. And all of that will be over that base, 11x squared plus 3 to the 7th. Now, MyMathLab will allow you to leave the negative exponent, so I will also allow you to leave the negative exponent on a test if you take the written test.